This question in your volumes of liquids chapter. Let's read the question. A cubical tank of 12 centimeters is half filled with water. Okay, so you've got a cubical tank. That means all sides are actually equal. So you got 12 centimeters for the height, 12 centimeters for length, and of course 12 centimeters for the depth or the breadth. The water is poured into an empty rectangular tank measuring 10 centimeters. Okay, so the water is poured inside here. 10 centimeters by 8 centimeters by 7 centimeters until it is full. Okay, so you can see I've drawn it for you. How much water is left in this cubical tank after you pour this water out? Okay, that fills this thing down here. So obviously some is left inside here. Let's find out firstly the volume of water that was inside this cubical tank. Okay, so volume of water in cubical tank. So the answer would be length times breadth times height, which is equals to, okay, but hang on, they're saying it's half filled with water. So it's half filled with water, that means you got to take half multiplied by length times breadth times height. Okay, so we have half times, or multiplied by 12, multiplied by 12, and multiplied by 12. Length times breadth times height. So your answer, if you use your calculator, the answer you should get is 864 cubic centimeters. Okay, so this water is poured into this tank. This water is poured inside here until this rectangle tank is full. So now let's find the volume that was inside here, that was actually poured in. Volume in rectangular tank. Okay, would also be length times breadth times height, but this time your length would be 10 centimeters, your breadth would be 8 centimeters, and your height would be 7 centimeters. And the answer that you should get is 560 square centimeters. Okay, sorry, 560 cubic centimeters. So now this water was poured in from here. 560 was actually the water that was poured inside from here into the rectangular tank. So how much water was left in the cubical tank? Water left in the cubical tank is simply the water that was left in the cubical tank would be the original amount, 864, subtract whatever was poured inside here, which is 560. Okay, so you will get 304 cubic centimeters. Okay, so as you know, we've gone through this. 1 cubic centimeter is equals to 1 milliliter, so you just simply change the units. Okay, then you get the answer. That's all.